love the fragrance but hate the texture. I'm a creator, I get a lot scent. I know Matrix की ads ने आपकी नाक में दम कर दिया है. जो भी आपको सस्ता लगे ले लो. 1000 plus hair growth in 6 weeks. Expensive is not always better. Oh.
You can come and watch me drink my morning coffee.
Hi Sarah, I want your unsponsored recommendations for the Nykaa Pink Friday sale.
Done. Shoot. I'm gonna take you through my home, through my vanity, through my bathroom, and actually show you what I am using so that you have the right recommendations to shop during the sale.
Best serum for pigmentation and blackheads and bumps.
Okay, bedroom, because मैं रोज रात को pigmentation का serum लगाती हूँ. I have pigmentation on my skin. Now if I tell you best तो वो ये है जो Nykaa पे मिलता भी नहीं है, which is Sesderma's Azelaic RU. आपको pharmacy में मिलेगा. Amazing, very potent, super effective. Bottles and bottles are finished, but super expensive. Comes around I think 2,500, 2,600. Now if I give you affordable, let me search for affordable. These are the two options that I have in my bedroom. One is Ordinary's Niacinamide. Ordinary does go on discount for Nykaa Pink Friday. You can see मैंने कितना niacinamide use किया. ये मेरी first bottle नहीं है, third, fourth bottle है. It's the best niacinamide money can buy you. I think it's very well formulated. थोड़ा अगर आप ये लगाओगे ना तो आपको ऐसे soapy जैसा feeling आएगा, तो please just pat it. Do not massage a niacinamide serum like this. Otherwise it will soap up on your face. Another one which is niacinamide but less potent than this is the Lakme's Perfect Radiance one. The Lakme one is of course not that potent, but it is very affordable, and Lakme a lot of people love for their skincare. What I like is that before makeup this gives me great hydration, glow, all of that. So this is why it's here, like an everyday pre-makeup base. I actually have great options from the Korean range also. अगर आपको थोड़ा ज़्यादा खर्चा करना है, then I would suggest the Sulwhasoo Activating First Care Serum. Oh my god, इसका texture बहुत ही अच्छा है guys. देख लो सेल पे कितने का मिल रहा है ये. इसका इतना मस्त texture है. I love traveling with this also. It's like a gel with actives in it. Great for hyperpigmentation. Smells almost herbal but nothing overpowering, and I really love this. I've been using it so much. You can see I've traveled with this because lately my perfume lost ink and it all came on this. I have the mini size with me over here, and one more for pigmentation because you all know कि मेरा favorite topic is pigmentation. This one. अभी recent video में मैंने ये recommend किया था Eucerin's Derma Purifier Oil Control Triple Effective Serum with Thymidol. Super effective. Literally only take this much. Only this much. Pea size amount. Spread it all over your face. Within a week you will see pigmentation में difference. Within 2 days you will see acne में difference. बहुत अच्छा serum है ये particularly. तो ये भी अगर discount पे तो ले लो. इसके बाद थोड़ा सा tingling होगा, but it's normal. All of these please use in the night time except the Ordinary and the Lakme. The Sulwhasoo and Eucerin use it in the night time. Even Sesderma use it in the night time.
Best affordable sunscreen and lotion for winters.
Okay, affordable sunscreen and lotion. पहले lotion बोलती हूँ आप लोग को face के लिए. For very dry skin, go for this. It's the Physio Gel Hypoallergenic Daily Moisture Cream. A thick cream, body thick तरीके का moisturizer. No nonsense moisturizer. Just a thick cream जिसमें बहुत सारे ceramides, peptides and hydrating ingredients है. It's a dermat approved moisturizer. My dermat has actually given this. So in the dry weather, I love this. An expensive moisturizer that you will love is the Dew In My Defense. Again, packed with ceramides, peptides, gone through so many bottles of this. Very hydrating and has great peptides for repairing your skin barrier. इसका भी बहुत lightweight texture है. So oily, combination dry skin type, you're all going to love this. Then I have this homegrown brand which I have completed completely. This is the Sohorai Cloud Cream. Amazing body cream. Oh my god, this smells also incredible. इसका इतना lightweight सा texture है. It's almost like a dupe for the 82 East Ashwagandha Bounce. A bouncy gel-like moisturizer which is so hydrating, so repairing. I need to buy this. मेरे को खुद को खरीदना है सेल पे. So I would highly recommend this one. Sohorai का lip balm भी बहुत अच्छा है. So this is all for the face creams for dry skin. Now when it comes to sunscreen, affordable sunscreen, I think I will go for my Wishcare Niacinamide sunscreen. ये मेरे bedside पे हमेशा रहता है. This one is almost over. Need to buy a new one myself. It's oil balancing. It's hydrating. It is something that gives you that glass-like finish. Layer a lot of this to get that optimal sun protection because it's very fluidy, but it gives you super glow, and that glow will be very hydrating for the winters. So I think in the winters you will really like using the Wishcare Niacinamide sunscreen because this is very affordable as well. Very affordable. Anything expensive अगर आपको जाना है थोड़ा सा अभी सेल के टाइम पे I'm giving you expensive recommendations क्योंकि वो सस्ते पड़ते हैं. The beauty of Joseon blue and white. Both sunscreens are amazing. White one for dry skin, blue one for oily skin. Amazing protection, great formula, amazing texture, really worth the hype.
A good roll-on for underarm pigmentation.
It's not here. Let me take you. Okay, I have two roll-ons over here, but my basic roll-ons are actually in my bathroom. I have the Sol de Janeiro Rio Dio. The Cheerios are 59 fragrance. Love the fragrance, but hate the texture. I really don't like the waxiness that this has. So what I tend to do is I apply, and then ना ऐसा waxy residue वो छोड़ता है तो मैं उसको पूरा massage कर देती हूँ because I don't like the waxy residue. It is antiperspirant. It is something that gives you a beautiful fragrance क्योंकि ये पूरी range की fragrance मुझे बहुत पसंद है, but it is very expensive. देखो अगर Sol de Janeiro पे कुछ offer है for Pink Friday sale, then affordable, same texture is my Dove's Classic Fresh. This is a classic fresh roll-on. It's again waxy in texture. So once I apply it, but this wax doesn't leave any residue. So no problem, no smell, no perspiration, no sweat marks, nothing. Just that इसको absorb होने दो, फिर आपकी sports bra या कुछ भी outfit पहनना, वरना इसके पूरे marks पूरे outfit पे आ जाते हैं. Something that's not here. Let's go into the bathroom. It's here, it's here, it's here, it's here, it's here. There is the Bebo Device underarm roll-on in my bedroom, and I think I've got Wishcare and Chemistad Play in my washroom. So let's move to the bathroom. Here I have my Wishcare underarm roll-on serum. I really like this one because it is for pigmentation also. तो इसको एक बार आप लगा लो ना. It is a little damp. इसको सूखने दो, but ये कपड़ों पे नहीं transfer होता. And this actually helps with pigmentation too. Very very affordable price point. It has a very aqua fresh fragrance. So this is one of my favorites. It stays right here, so I can use it post shower.
Body wash recommendations.
Body washes, I have so many, but recently मुझे भी अभी खरीदना है. This is the Nykaa Wanderlust, which is what I'm currently using. Love the fragrance, but I feel like it dries my skin thoda sa, but the fragrance is superb, very affordable. So highly recommend all my girlies, like pooky girlies who want to smell very nice after your shower. It has champagne and berries like fragrance, so आप देख सकते हो कितना मैंने खत्म किया इसको. I'm loving it. It's just that my skin feels very dry after I've washed with this. The Be Body Wise one though is my favorite. Like अभी ये इतना ही बचा. This I will definitely rebuy. It's the salicylic acid body wash. It has activating salicylic acid, great for back acne, great for any bumpy skin, strawberry legs. I don't have any of that, but it helps me with overall texture, exfoliation. Love the texture, love the fragrance, love the price point. Affordable body washes. Actually मेरे पास महंगे वाले भी थे, but अभी सब खत्म हो गए. Aveeno, great, expensive but great for dry, sensitive skin. Sebamed, great for dry, sensitive skin. And Rio de Janeiro's body wash. If you want a spa-like experience and you have disposable income to just, use on a body wash, then you can go for Sol de Janeiro's body washes because they are expensive, but they are definitely that spa-like experience. I think I might also buy if there's a good deal on Sol de Janeiro.
A good hair mask for very, very fine hair.
Very, very fine hair. I have very, very fine hair. So I will show you all the hair masks I have. I have quite a few actually. Depending on how my hair is feeling, I go ahead and choose. You of course don't need to have so many hair masks. I am a creator. I get a lot sent. So choose according to what you are looking for at the moment. अगर hair repair is your problem, like आपने भी color करके बाल एकदम damage कर दियो and you want constant hair repair, I highly recommend these two masks for hair repair all the time. One is my L'Oreal's Absolute Repair and the other is the 10-in-1 Deep Treatment from Dove. Both of them are amazing, great textures, feel like makhan, make your hair super soft, repair your hair from damage. Really cannot pick and choose. You pick as per your price point and the brand you trust more. मेरे को दोनों ही बहुत पसंद है और मैं दोनों ही equally use करती हूँ. दोनों मैं खोल के दिखा सकती हूँ as proof as to how much I use each of them. This is literally half over and this is my second tub. Dove one smells like my बचपन क्योंकि Dove की सारी चीजों की एक जैसी fragrance होती है. And the L'Oreal one also smells incredible. You can see I've used this also quite a lot. I feel like you need more with the Dove because it has a more fluid consistency, less with the L'Oreal. But both are great. I love both of them. Now when I want color protection, like मेरा color अभी fade हो रहा है, मुझे hair color कराना नहीं है. And अगर मैं कराऊंगी तो मैं बहुत एक साल बाद कराने वाली हूँ मेरे hair color. Like now I'll do it. It's been a year to my hair color. So since I want color protection now, these are the color protect wala hair masks that I'm using. One is L'Oreal Metal DX. Love this one. Love this one for hair color protect. And the other is Schwarzkopf Color Freeze Treatment. This is also specifically to freeze your hair color, not let it fade away. So love Metal DX का तो पूरा range ही मेरा favorite है. These are two specifically for color treated hair that I keep in my shower. I do recommend the Nexxus Pro Mend a lot more than I recommend any other for hair repair. Love the Nexxus Hair Pro Mend Repair. I have finished literally half a tub and I'm loving what the whole Nexus range is doing for my hair. I feel like this range plus good oiling and good hair growth serum, amazing results in general. Another hair mask in my shower right now is a Dove's 10-in-1 Peptide Bond Strength. It's a new launch and I've been testing it because I was working with them. ये सारे hair mask मेरे पास है, आप choose कर लो आपको कौन सा best आपके price point के हिसाब से लगता है. But mainly for repairing and for color treatment is what I keep in my shower. Oh, I really want to mention this. This one, oh my god, I know Matrix की ads ने आपकी नाक में दम कर दिया है and I don't control the ads that come on YouTube. So I'm really sorry about that, but this one actually works. This is the Matrix Mega Smooth Sulfate Free Professionally Liquid Mask. It is such a good texture. It comes out like this fine liquid and thoda sa I've been putting on my hair ends and I'm really seeing a difference with the split ends and in general with how smooth my hair is. So I think this is really nice. You're getting a big tube and it's very affordable also. Like the entire tube is 1,000 rupees. So I think it will last you like अभी Pink Friday में तुमको discount भी मिलेगा इस पे. तो whole range नहीं खरीदना है तो अभी the treatment hair mask, the liquid hair mask, this is something you should try because it's a big bottle. Like look at all my bottles, वो सबसे लंबी वही है.
How to control frizz on hair looks so bad.
Okay, see, frizz in different ways, right? अभी मुझे बहुत baby hair growth है तो उसकी वजह से भी frizz हो रहा है. I'll tell you what I've used right now to slick this hair back. Come with me. Anything like a hair oil, serum, you want something basically that will hydrate and push your hair back at the same time, right? So I have so many hair serums over here in my bedroom. Mostly right now जो मैं use कर रही हूँ is a little bougie because I'm bougie. But I will give you dupes, okay? Kerastase Elixir Ultime is what I'm using right now. I have a mini, वो सबसे ज़्यादा use होता है because it's so convenient to travel with. Literally all I have applied to my hair. It's my day 3 of my hair. तो अभी just मैं shoot करने बैठ रही थी तो मैंने इसको अच्छे से अपने scalp पे, अपने नीचे ये सब जगह लगाया है and it has slicked back my hair so nicely. No flyaways, no frizzes visible. So really does control your hair frizz so nicely and I feel like this serum is almost like a perfume plus deeply nourishing. I would give you the dupe as L'Oreal Extraordinary Hair Oil Serum. I don't have one on me right now because I just lended my मेरा वाला जो था मेरी friend को दिया मैंने क्योंकि मेरे पास इतने serums थे. But a dupe for any hair frizz product is the L'Oreal Absolute Extraordinary Hair Oil. I think it's a great product especially when used on damp hair because it's a heavier oil. Now if I tell you for like slick backs, I think I have some products over there also on my vanity. But if you want like more gel control, especially my curly girls, use this, the Manatane Volume Gel. I don't know how to pronounce this brand. Maintain उसका volume gel है तो basically gel है, literally वो set wet के gel होते हैं ना वैसा gel है but a better hold without the crunchiness. So just take a little bit, this is like 300-400 bucks and just like slick your hair back with it and it gives you this nice shine sparkle. So when you're doing your ponytails, your updos, you just take that, give it a good go and must shine आ जाता है बाल पे and बाल पीछे रहते हैं. But अगर आपको बाल खुले रखने और frizz को control करना है, get a good hair serum. Kerastase or L'Oreal or get the Nexus Pro Mend Hair Oil. This is also something I use every night. Curly hair, straight hair, मैं कैसे भी अपने बाल रखूँ, मैं बोल रही हूँ ना Nexus से मेरे बाल बदल दिया. Literally मेरे बालों को बहुत help हो रही है Nexus के range से. Not sponsored guys, none of this is sponsored. मैं genuinely जो use कर रही हूँ मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. Every night I use like a pipette of this on my hair ends. अगर मैं curly भी रखती हूँ तो मैं अच्छे से बालों को nourish करके सोती हूँ ताकि सुबह when I wake up ना it absorbs very nicely, doesn't feel greasy, heavy, nothing. And this is my day 3, day 4 of hair wash. So now if I wash my hair again, it will become dry. Again, I will use this. Especially as curly hair girls, we need to hydrate our hair a lot. So a oil like this, Bond Repair, great for like just repairing the damage in the hair. I love the Pro Mend range in general, especially that hair oil, and it looks so good on my vanity.
A good eyeshadow for beginners.
Okay, eyeshadow need to go into the makeup drawer. Come. Okay, let me open my khazana of makeup and show you what I have. Aajao. Guys, my drawer is messy. Don't judge me. Eyeshadow for beginners. I don't know if this is available or out of stock. This is the Mars Blooming Orchids eyeshadow palette. ये बहुत सारे shades में आता है and most of the time ना whenever I want to link this, I think it's out of stock. But this is so pigmented. It is so good and it comes with a mirror. It comes with all the shades you need. It has brown, glitters, black. You can see I've used and abused this palette. It is great on a budget and it comes in a bunch of shades. I have almost all the shades here with me. It's almost like a dupe of the Huda Beauty Browns palette, and this one is also great, but it's a little expensive. But Huda palettes are an investment for sure. The bigger palettes, the smaller palettes, all of the Huda palettes are great. Then I also love the Pack Cosmetics On The Go palette. Really depends कि आपके लिए affordable क्या है. 1000 rupees affordable is 300 rupees affordable. Go according to your preference. This is somewhere around 1000, 1500. See how much it is for the sale. But I love both the color combinations. This is a brownie color combination, like a nude brown, and the other color I have is a mauve brown color combination with the pinky nude. So this one is a dupe for the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude. ये दोनों का color theory बहुत identical है in the pinky nudes palette. This is Huda Beauty's Naughty Nude, and this is Pack Cosmetics On The Go. And the other On The Go is a dupe of the Natasha Denona palette. Not the same in formula, pigmentation, all of that, but very similar in color theory. So depending on the discounts, you can pick any of these eyeshadow palettes. I love all of them and I use them all very regularly for my looks because my eye look में mostly brown, copper, glitters ही करती हूँ. Next, what do you want to know?
Best blushes under 500.
Under 500. All right, then we again open the makeup cabinet. Let me show you my blush compartment, which I am so proud of because with blush blindness, I had overflowed this compartment, but I have just gotten grip of my life and thrown away a lot of blushes. So let me show you just the best of the best, okay? Ooh, this one is very cheap. Today only I was showing it to somebody. The Maybelline Hazy Mattes, right? Sunkisser blushes. In the shade Hot Pink Summer is what I have on my cheeks right now. ये सुबह से मेरे face पे है. This has not dimmed. When I applied it, it was super pigmented and Sharon was like, what is this blush blindness crazy? But now it has dulled down but not faded. Beautiful pigment, very long wearing. Hot Pink Summer and Peachy Queen or something the name of the shade is. दोनों shades बहुत अच्छे हैं and they are like 380 rupees on sale. I know because आज ही मैंने किसी को link भेजा है इसका. So it's very cheap on sale. Another great blush under 500 would be the Etude House Water Tint. This tint is so pigmented. Can I apply more blush? Like, can I? No. I look funny, but this is so pigmented. ये tint अगर आप fingers पे भी लगाओगे ना, ये रह ही जाएगा. Look at that. Pretty Korean pink blush of color. And I love putting this on the days that I'm not applying makeup. Just put a little bit of blush. I love this tint so much. I have two, and in both the rooms I have like one blush. And under 500 ना, तो एक और है चलो. Mars. Let's do Mars की Sugar Rush blushes. These two are my favorite shades. Peach Pie and Rose Slush. Pinky and peachy colors. Very pigmented. One dot pigment. Easy to blend. Long wearing. All of that beautiful stuff. जो भी आपको सस्ता लगे ले लो.
Budget foundation under 700 for all skin type. Full coverage.
बस इतनी requirement है. Full coverage. Budget foundation. Has to be this one, right? The Superstay Matte. Like in Mumbai, in India, we don't have a lot of full coverage foundations that are giving us shade variety. I think Maybelline Superstay Matte at least has थोड़े बहुत shades जो हमको suit कर जाए. तो ये वाला I would recommend. 330 Toffee is my shade. Full coverage, easy to blend, very hydrating foundation. Right now, what has just launched is this one also, which is very nice. This is the K Beauty Cushion Foundation. Beautiful formula. I don't know how much it is on the sale, but definitely if it is something that you can afford, get it because it is a very good cushion foundation. Great formula, matte finish, matte, okay, not oily, not dewy. I am using this shade 175N deep. I can go a little darker also. I just feel like K Beauty needs to get the undertones right. It's not the perfect undertone, so I don't think मैं उसको shade change कर पाऊंगी because it's saying 175N. N means neutral, but actually बहुत warm undertone है, तो मुझे वो shade थोड़ा off लगा, but मुझे ये formula बहुत अच्छा लगा है, तो ये affordable में I would recommend these two foundations for now. I feel like Mars's foundations are good, but they do tend to break me out, so for acne prone skin I would not recommend.
Suggest the best plum lotion, vanilla marshmallow or hazelnut.
Ooh, hazelnut. 100% hazelnut. Hazelnut eclair is delicious. It is in my bedroom right now. Like literally yesterday I put it and Sharon was like, shit, what is that? Like it's smelling so good. Like yeah, it's the new Plums hazelnut eclair. Delicious smelling body lotion. I feel like it has the strongest aroma, the most delicious aroma. मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है because it smells like Ferrero Rocher. Smells like my nutcut hazelnut married my caramel ka Kamal from Impulse, and it's amazing. Such a good fragrance, like on point, like eclair, like a Parisian dessert.
Concealer, very high coverage.
Oh my god, guys! I have so many concealers here, and if you have the money, go ahead, get the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, the best when it comes to coverage. But my recent favorite obsession, and if you lose this, Sharon, I will cry. I will cry if I lose this concealer, because मेरे घर में चीजें बहुत easily गुम हो जाती है. This is the one, but ये मेरा exact shade नहीं है. I don't know मेरा shade किधर है. इधर ही कहीं होगा. There's a thing about me you should know. मेरे आंखों के सामने भी product होगा तो मुझे दिखेगा नहीं. So this is the PAC Studio HD concealer, and I feel like PAC has killed it with this formula. It is so good. Just about 500 rupees. You're getting a good amount, 8 ml of product. It's so luxurious looking. This is the shade 300 deep, जो मेरे लिए light है. I'm using 320 deep. It's somewhere in my drawer, I promise you. Loving it, using it every single day. It's what I have on my face right now. Beautiful coverage, full coverage, no creasing, affordable. Killed it with this formula. Like it has replaced. I stopped using Huda and all. Like मैं use ही नहीं कर रही हूँ ये सब, बस पड़े हैं. And अगर आपको full coverage मतलब एकदम ही महंगे में जाना है, which I think is an investment, I think it's Too Faced Born This Way. The shade variety on Too Faced Born This Way is excellent. I think it's so worth the money, and I will never stop using Born This Way. It's that one concealer that can give you full face also. आपको foundation लगाने की भी जरूरत नहीं इसके साथ.
Hair growth serum.
Okay, so you all know I love my Wishcare hair growth serum. I don't have to show you proof. I'll take you to my bedroom and show you what other hair growth serums I have. Okay. Wishcare, literally on my vanity, it's over here. This is the hair growth serum from Wishcare. It has Redensil and it is great for hair growth, and I've used this for more than 2 years at this point. I've been using it since before I had this house. So it has definitely helped with my hair growth. You can see ये जितने काले बाल है, जितना मैंने मई में बाल कलर कराई थी, it's all because I'm taking my hair care very seriously right now. And definitely Wishcare has put me into the habit of using hair growth serum regularly. So I think that is a great product and it will be at great discount. Now, since both my partner, all of us have hair fall issues, we also tried using a little more expensive one, and then I purchased this is a Kérastase Genesis serum anti hair fall thing, and it is so good. Like this, you have to use the whole thing. Okay, you have to use literally till the black line. That's a lot of product you're using, क्योंकि इसकी मोटी पिपेट है तो ये बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो रहा है, क्योंकि अभी ये महीने में हमने खरीदा है ये पूरी बॉटल खत्म हो गई है. And only I have used because Reet is in Assam right now, so I feel like it's expensive, but I do see that my hair fall has again stopped, and I'm seeing good amount of baby hair coming up. So of course hair growth serums take time, but using them regularly, definitely you see a difference. And the Kérastase one also I would highly recommend if you have that kind of money, not just to invest once but to keep reinvesting, because 5,000 rupees ka serum you have to keep rebuying, okay, because wo jaldi khatam ho raha hai. Now somewhere in between, if I want to give you another formula, Kérastase is Aminexil and L'Oreal has launched a Serioxyl Advance. So all three formulations are different, guys. Wishcare is Redensil, Kérastase is Aminexil, and L'Oreal is Serioxyl. This is also promising 1,000 plus hair growth in 6 weeks. You have to use 2 pipettes of this also because the pipette is smaller, it's finer, it is slightly more oily in consistency, so I'm not a very big fan of the texture, because if I put it like on day 2 only, my hair gets a little oily. But you can see that I've been using this also very regularly, because this also I feel like is a very good hair growth serum. And how do I tell the difference between all of them? Wishcare I'm using since 2 years, L'Oreal I used for the last 4-5 months, so I know that that's working, and Kérastase I just started to use, but I'm really liking the texture of Kérastase because it's got a nice fragrance and it doesn't leave my scalp greasy at all. I really need to use the Kérastase a little bit more and tell you if that is the reason only that my hair fall has stopped, but my hair has become really nice. Like I'm happy with it. Might not be the hair of the year, but I'm happy with it.
A good and affordable lipstick for pigmented lips.
All my lipsticks are for pigmented lips. I have pigmented lips. I will show you the lipsticks I have here in my this drawer. Don't judge, this drawer is very messy, but I have so many go-to lipsticks. This is the one I'm using right now. It's Mars's Universal Ace. ये एक pack of 3 में आता है और ये 2 shades वो pack में आते हैं. True Mattes I think is the name of the pack. Espresso Suit and Universal Ace दोनों एक shade के pack में आता है. I think they make for the best brown girl lip combo. Like Universal Ace is already on my lips, and if I just put like a little bit of Espresso Suit outside, like it makes such a nice lip combo, and definitely for pigmented lips and affordable. What I love is these are long wearing, they do not transfer, and the best part is that they are cloud like literally do not dry your lips at all. So I love this formula by Mars. I think Mars's lipsticks are really good. I love the Superstay Vinyl Link. अभी recently मैंने एक shorts किया है जिसमें मैंने सारे brown girl lipsticks डाले हैं, तो उसमें आपको सारे lipsticks के swatches मिल जाएंगे. The Superstay Vinyl Sauce, इसमें the shade Sweet and Sour is my go-to, my favorite in Impulse's videos. If you see my lips shining and brown, it's mostly because of this lipstick. And then another one that I use so much is Maybelline Superstay Matting. This is in the shade Charmer. I also use Renegade. Charmer is lighter, Renegade is a darker brown. These last like a lifetime. Like you put this, you eat anything, you do whatever you want, your lipstick is not going to come out. Your life will be tired, but your lipstick will not come out. Super light cloud liquid lipstick in the shade Cinnamon Swirl, my favorite. Lightweight cloud like lippy. Literally every time I apply this lipstick, I'm like, wow, this feels like cloud on the lips. And it's such a nice lightweight formula. One of my favorite lipsticks from Nykaa is this one. I don't like their previous liquid lipstick formula जो एकदम पहले उन लोगों ने लॉन्च किया था जिसमें मद्रास का पी शेड वो सब है, वो वाला बहुत watery formula. I don't know if they've reformulated. I've never used it again, but this one is amazing. It's moussey, it's cloud-like, and it's not transfer-proof. These are my favorites for everyday wear. That's why they stay in this drawer. I'm tired. I'm gonna sit and do this.
Curling cream for natural curls.
I have not kept my hair curly today, but the curling cream I am using and recommending in all my vlogs is the one that's working for me, is the Curl Up Curl Defining Cream. Even Reeth has curly hair, so even he's using it, and he also has used so many, और उसको भी सबसे ज़्यादा यही वाला अच्छा लगा है. It gives us hold, it doesn't feel crunchy, it makes our hair hydrated, and this is a cream actually I've used for years. जब मैं पहले भी अपने बाल curly रखती थी college में, तब से अब तक इसका formula बदला नहीं है, so I'm very proud of the brand that they've stuck to their formula, stuck to their branding, everything, and it's got argan oil, flaxseed extract, reduces frizz, defines curls, shiny hair, all that. I've not used other products from the brand, so I don't know if they have other products which are good too. If y'all have used, tell me, but that's the curling cream I recommend. I even bought a very expensive curling cream recently from Tira, the Way curling cream, but फिर वो मुझे बिल्कुल जमा नहीं, मेरे कर्ल्स को तो होल्ड दिया ही नहीं उसने, तो रीत यूज कर रहा है उसको क्योंकि 3000 का कर्लिंग क्रीम था, तो expensive is not always better.
Affordable powder to set your base.
Affordable powder to set the base. I would say that most of the powders I use are expensive because powders are comedogenic and I don't want acne, so I mostly tend to use expensive powders only. Like, how much is affordable for you? If PAC Spotlight works for you, then these loose powders are not comedogenic. They don't give me acne. PAC's Spotlight loose powder मैंने कितनी बार recommend किया है. They don't give acne and they are non-comedogenic, but they are great loose powders, finely milled and almost a dupe for the Huda Beauty Easy Bake. I only use Huda Beauty's Easy Bake. Literally, if anybody asks me what is the one product you would recommend from Huda Beauty जो मैं खरीदूं, it will be the Easy Bake loose powder. It gives you bright under eyes. It makes your makeup long wearing. It really sets everything in place. I have the Easy Bake in so many shades. I have Cherry Blossom. I have Ube Birthday Cake here. I have all the shades of the Huda Beauty Easy Bake and the Banana Bread. अगर आप मेरे complexion के हो, just get Banana Bread. That's enough for you. Brightening, long wearing, mattifying, everything. I don't have affordable loose powders, unfortunately. And if you want pressed powder, the pressed powder I recommend is Sarlit Tilbury is the pressed powder I use. The Airbrush Flawless Finishing Powder. Love it for touch-ups. I keep this pack ka chotu puff, and then just like for touch-ups, for oily base and everything, I put this, and it's literally like airbrush. So yeah, I do use expensive powders only because I have really sensitive skin, and with makeup I don't want to damage it further.
Affordable perfume recommendation.
I've just done a full video, you guys, for perfume recommendations. I think you should watch that video. For recommendations, I will give you a glimpse at my perfumes that I have over here. I've got Appeal's Coco Calm, which is a great cocoa perfume, like vanilla, cocoa, that kind, very nicely mixed. If you want a nighttime one, then Appeal's Grape Intense is here, which is a nighttime berry grape fragrance. I love all my plum body loving fragrances. I've got Oso Pistachio, Vanilla Caramello, Smoke and Vanilla is here. My favorite of all time, if you ever ask me one plum body loving fragrance that I should get, Smoke and Vanilla. Literally always Smoke and Vanilla. Best one because it is musky but oh, like कोई भी ये लगा कि ऑफिस भी आता है ना, I can tell that person has put smoky vanilla because it's musky and vanilla and it's my favorite kind of combination. Yeah, I think these are my top. Appeal, Plum, and then there is Atmos Living also, but that's 1,000 rupees. A lot of people did not consider 1,000 rupees affordable, so moving on.
Affordable brush set.
Okay, so Pack Exara brush, I don't know if it's still available or no. You get 5 brushes in that. I would recommend that if you have that kind of bandwidth to invest एक साथ brushes में, but in super affordable affordable. I have a lot of brands ke brushes just randomly kept. Oh my god, there are lots of brushes in this. I think these 3 brushes from Mars Cosmetics are great. I really love this ones particularly because it's so good to just spread your foundation and आसानी से blend भी हो जाता है spread करते करते. So I use this a lot. Literally अभी भी गंदा है and every day we wash our brushes. This is BRF 10. They're like $2.99 each. Then this one came as a highlighter brush BR04, but I use it for concealer, perfect for concealer. And then this flat brush is there if you want for blush, if you want for like bronzing, but it's not precise. But I think the hair is really nice and densely packed, and I've washed them so many times and they are $2.99, $3.99. So these 3 brushes you can get from Mars.
Good smudge proof kajal.
The recent PAC Spotlight Kajal, great, smudge proof, pigmented, really, really nice. Or the K-Beauty Kajal, always love the K-Beauty Kajal. Ooh, Forever 52's Kajal, super pigmented, very nice, does not sting the eyes. I literally put it all over my face for the Halloween makeup. Great pigmentation and great longevity. And Plum Goodness ka Kajal, Plum is always a favorite. Their Nature Studio Kohl is literally legendary. First Kajal I used and still the best.
Good lip balm or gloss for chapped lips.
Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, always, always, always the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Worth the money, really good, repairs your lips, not that expensive, absolutely worth it.
Bronzer for medium skin tone.
Okay, we don't have a lot of good bronzers in India. I just use this one PAC ka bronzer palette. मेरे पास भी वही है, वो powder palette है, and it's great blending wise, everything wise. It's not cheap, but I think it's good for bronzing. In India, we really need some work on bronzers. We don't have good variety.
Tinted lip balm for college girls.
Tinted lip balm for college girls. Okay, I do really like this one from Inderwild, the Dewy Lip Treatment in the shade Rose. It's a pink tinted lip balm and it's a nice pink color. The tint doesn't last, or you can use the Etude water tint. Put the water tint, make a tint, and then use literally any lip balm, the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask or something, and give yourself a tinted lip balm, which will be more long wearing than this. This is hydrating, like घर के around लगाने के लिए it's easy going.
Affordable makeup fixer recommendations.
Micro Finish Makeup Fixer from PAC. I think it's great. It's right here. I'm going to show you that it is one of my favorite makeup fixers ever. The aerosol on this is my favorite because look at that fine mist you're getting, making your makeup very long wearing. PAC makes great makeup fixers. This actually will make your makeup long wearing and give it nice hydration also.
Product to remove tanning.
Product to remove tanning, I think use the Be Body Wise Salicylic Acid Body Wash. With time, you will see that it will help brighten your skin.
Affordable body butter.
Affordable body butter. Come. Of course, Plum Body Lovin' launched their new body butters. I have kept this one on my bedside. It's Marshmallow Melt because this reminds me of New York and I really, really feel like going back to New York even though I didn't like it. But my brother's there and I love that this reminds me of New York. These are thick body butters, literally feel like butter on your like body. It'll take some time to blend it, but very hydrating and smells delicious and so affordable. Plum is so affordable.
Affordable eyeliner pen.
The NYX Epic Ink Liner, always a favorite. If you want felt tip, which I use felt tip, is NYX Epic Ink Liner. If you want liquid, Maybelline Tattoo Studio.
Best skin tint under 1,000.
L'Oreal Skin Tint, oh my god, best is L'Oreal Skin Tint. It's something I've used on my forehead and on the periphery of my face. A PAC Spotlight HD Concealer and then L'Oreal on the rest of my face. L'Oreal Skin Tint is amazing, currently at $5.59. I linked it today on my stories on Instagram, so I know it's cheap. It's full coverage. It's got good shades. Not great shades, good shades. If you get a shade, get the L'Oreal Skin Tint. I would highly recommend.
Affordable but good brow gel.
NYX Stick It Brow. Yeah.
A good affordable highlighter.
Elf Glow thing, Glowgasm wand. That is good. I don't use highlighter so much, but that's good to blend out. Last one, guys. I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed.
Best body razor.
Venus Gillette Comfort Glide is the best razor there is because it comes with soap gel bars. Honestly, I am so lazy. I sometimes don't even put soap. I just take the water and I've always been a razor girly, so I use that. I have so many Venus Gillette in my bathroom. Gillette Venus in my bathroom, and that's the razor I would recommend.
That's all. Thank you, Sarah, for your recommendations.
Thank you so much for asking them, and I wanted this to be a very customized sort of a Q&A recommendation because a lot of us tend to overshop during these sales, so this is your reminder not to. Get only the things you want, and I have linked everything for you in the tagged feature and niche in the description box, so please go ahead and shop from there. If you shop through my links, I earn a little bit of commission. Thank you so much for your support always, and I hope you enjoy shopping. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. For today's video, the Saras Ko shout goes to Shalini XIIC. That was your first comment on my channel, so thank you so much for it. If you want to be a part of next video's Saras Ko shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it. Also, comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad. And just for my next video, Sarah Squad shout out. I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys, love you.
Bye.